5 seconds to go. Start. For suit for recovery of possession against trust, the prior permission of Charity Commission is necessary. The origin of this appeal at the instance of the defendant appellant herein emanates from a regular civil suit number 166 of 1983, which had been filed by the deceased plaintiff Shri Vitthal Moti Ramji Mankale, who is now represented by his legal heirs, respondent numbers 127, for possession and damages valued at rupees 17,500 in the Court of Civil Judge Senior Division Amravati against the appellant Sai Nath Mandir Trust, which is a registered public trust within the provisions of Bombay Public Trusts Act 1950. The suit land comprises of a plot bearing number 57 arising out of original fields bearing survey number 33 situated at Saturana in the outskirts of Amaravati township. As per the case of the defendant appellant herein, which admittedly is a public trust, the suit property was dedicated to the idol of Sai Baba by the respondent number 8, original defendant number 2, by way of a gift deed executed way back on 31st January 1974, which, according to the appellant's version, was immediately acted upon as possession was also handed over to the appellant trust, which is in occupation of the suit property till date. It is the specific case of the defendant appellant that the suit plot was donated by way of a gift deed executed by the original defendant number 2, respondent number 8 herein, Shri Vasant Mahadev Fartode, on 31st January 1974, essentially for building a residential accommodation for devotees of the Sai Baba Mandir run by the Appellant Trust. Thus, by virtue of the gift deed, the admitted owner, respondent number 8, original defendant number 2, Shri Vasant Mahadev Fartode, was divested of the title over the suit property after he executed the gift deed and also delivered possession of the plot to the appellant trust. Hence, as per the case of the appellant Sainath Mandir Trust, the gift deed dated 31st January 1974 was duly acted upon, since the appellant immediately came in possession of the suit property and continues to remain in possession of the same till date ever since 1974. As against the aforesaid case of the appellant, the predecessor of the contesting respondent numbers 1 to 7, late Shri Vitthal Moti Ramji Mandale, who is now legally represented by the respondent numbers 1 to 7, intended to purchase the suit property and therefore issued a notice in Delhi Matrbhumi dated 2nd October 1982, thereby inviting objections in respect of the said plot. Further case of the respondent numbers 1 to 7 is that no objections were received in response to the notice, as a result of which the predecessor of respondent numbers 1 to 7, that is late Shri Vitthal Moti Ramji Mandale, purchased the plot from the respondent number 8, Shri Vasant Mahadev Fartode, by a registered sale deed dated 14th October 1982 for a consideration of rupees 17,000. As per the plaintiff respondent's case, they also claimed to have immediately taken possession of the said property after execution of the sale deed, and it is further averred that when the contesting respondents wanted to put fence around the said plot, then on 4 December 1982, they noticed a board on the disputed plot which was put up by the appellant trust, on which it was mentioned that the respondent number 8, defendant number 2, had given the said plot to the appellant trust for construction of a residential accommodation for the devotees of Sai Baba Mandir. In view of this notice, the respondents sent a notice on 7th December 1982 to the appellant trust to remove the board and further do not obstruct to the fencing of the suit plot, which was responded by the appellant trust stating that they are in possession of the suit plots since 31st January 1974 and are owners of the plot in question and cannot be directed to vacate. The respondent felt seriously aggrieved with this response, and hence a regular civil suit number 166 of 1983 was filed by the predecessor of the contesting respondent numbers 1 to 7, Shri Vitthal Moti Ramji Mandale, for possession and damages valued at Rs 17,500 in the Court of Civil Judge Senior Division Amravati. The appellant trust contested the suit by filing a written statement on 19 December 1983 asserting their ownership and possession over the suit property since 31st January 1974. It was stated therein that the suit land had already been gifted to the appellant trust by gift deed dated 31st January 1974, which was properly executed and validly attested, and had also been acted upon by the parties concerned. Stop.